Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a video on my 2 envelopes that I got from school today. As you can see, they have not been opened. I've been saving them for today. I'm desperate. This one's light, this one's a little bit heavy. This one has my address on, so I'll give you, so I can't actually show the address, but I will show the opening at the back here. I can't show the address. I can show you, wait a minute, let me just show you guys. I can show you the name and then that's it. Because I don't want to reveal my postage code or anything like that. I mean, I might be able to start getting fan mail in. Oh, I seem to have hurt my leg, but that'll be later. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to AJ Vlogs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and hit subscribe button right now. See you now. Bye. So I'm going to begin with doing the heavy one that I got this morning. So let's just open it. I wonder what it is. It's very hard to open. This is supposed to be for our parents, but I'm just opening it. So the envelope is open. Let's see what else. Okay. So this is parent governor stuff. So these came with about 4 pages. So this is a governor form. It was for my parents. I just opened it because I wasn't sure what it was. But obviously it's a governor form. This was what it looked like first, and it just has details there. And then there's also this one, which was the second one. This was the last one. This is the form. So that was the first letter, which was the one that had my post, that had my address on, which I can't show. That was this. Oops, I just showed it. What the heck? So that was this one. Now we're gonna open up this one that's just for me, I think it is. And it says, and they spelt my name wrong. It's supposed to be with a J, Angelica, when it's with a G. That's so annoying. So I can show you the front of this. So let's get open. Oh, and it says B3. This is the room number that I was supposed to be sent to. So if you're wondering what that is. This is much more easier. So the parcel is open. Let's see. Oh. Okay, this was incredibly weird. Look at this. Just look at that. A toilet pass. There. Toilet pass. Seriously? A toilet pass. What was the point of that? I don't get this. It says it's dead. That stands for detention. Why have I got a toilet pass? Oh, maybe it's for like, you can go toilet with this now. I always wet myself when I came in today. I don't care. I can just say I got my toilet party. So that was it. I thought this would be like the card that, like the little card, the information card thing. But it wasn't. It was a toilet pass. That's really funny. If you enjoyed today, guys, please like and hit subscribe button right now. I'm gonna add other videos on here as well. So I've just come back to school. I had to put on extra mascara, but you know. Bye, guys. Please like and hit the subscribe button.